Hey everyone, and welcome back to Remember This Tech. In today's episode, we're going to be doing an unboxing of this power supply, an MSI Mag A750GL PCI Express 5.0 compliant power supply. It also is ATX 3.1 ready, and it is a gold rated power supply, and it is fully modular. That comes in handy when you're trying to route cables and you only need to use what you're going to use to reduce clutter. This comes in varying varieties of wattages. This is a 750 model, as I stated. They have 850 versions of this and higher. And I'm going to do an unboxing, and I got this off of Amazon, so I'll put the link in the description section below in case you're interested. And with all the builds that I do, I need power supplies. Not only that, I need quality power supplies, so I figured I got this one on sale, so why not do an unboxing and take a look. But before we crack the box open, let's check this out really quick and what it says on the back of the box here. ATX 3.0, 3.1 ready. The gaming power supply can hold up to 2 times power excursion and a 3 times GPU power excursion, remaining stable when paired with high performance graphics cards. Does that mean that you can run, does it have like 3 2 8-pin power cords here? You actually get, according to this connector listing, you get one PCI Express 16 pin, which is the new 5.1 spec. Then you get another set of PCI Express with the old spec with the 6+2 pin connectors, and you supposedly get 3 of those cables in here. Well, the connectors rather. So without further ado, let's take a look in this box, see what it looks like, see what the quality of the unit is, or what it looks like on the surface to me. So come on, let's go. Cracking the box open here. I like when they have good packaging here. It really kind of like helps to know it's protected. And I like how they give you on the higher end power supplies this bag of your cables, so that if you perhaps, like me, have 5 different power supplies, you can put them in the bag and you know that they go to this one. Because sometimes if you put the wrong cables from a different power supply on a different one, you could burn stuff up. So we will put that aside for now. And this is all we have here. But there's good packaging here. There's some good weight to this power supply. I mean, yeah, generally first impressions of a power supply is the weight, and this has some hefty weight. Nice cool design art, and it has the wattage and amp specifications for the rails here. And of course, you know, obligatory on-off switch, MSI fan. But really, what you really want to look at is this. So you got these connectors can run off of multiple things. Obviously, ATX 24 pin CPU PCI Express. Here's the ATX 24 pin, and here's your various PCI Express, SATA, Molex, and CPU and PCI Express power. Let's check out the cables that it came with. There's quite a plethora of cables here, but yeah. Here you have your ATX cable. You can separate this, obviously. Now, it's interesting that it still comes with the 4-pin Molex, but it has it in case you have an older system. And it also has the 5-volt for the floppies and stuff, accessories. This is PCI Express, one connector with it has two 6+2 connectors. So we'll put those in a pile here. We have another PCI Express connector, but it only has one 6+2 connector here. Here we have the new connector here. It's clearly identified and it says up to 450 watts. Braided. This is for your CPU power here. And this is your 8-pin. You can remove one of these in case you just have a 4-pin on your motherboard. This here is for SATA power. Another SATA power connector. And we have another CPU power connector here, 8-pin. And in your bag you also have a standard power cord and screws for securing the power supply into the case. So this concludes my short unboxing of the MSI MAG A750GL PCI Express 5.0 and ATX 3.1 ready power supply. Now, I've run MSI power supplies in a bunch of different setups and rigs that I've built over the past couple of years, and they're all pretty stable and I haven't had any problems, knock on wood. So if you're interested in this power supply and any of the different variants, check out the link in the description below. So hopefully you found this unboxing useful or informative, and thanks for watching. Remember this tech.